this humidifier wouldn't turn on, and the real problem was hiding on the circuit. When I tried to power on this USB humidifier, nothing happened. So I opened the circuit and immediately I noticed one component heating up excessively. To solve the problem, I arranged a replacement unit to swap the board, but that plan didn't go smoothly either. The donor board was its own issue. The USB port was completely ripped off the PCB and it wouldn't power on properly. So in this video, we will first repair the donor board and then use the board to try bringing this humidifier back to life. Let's see if this repair attempt success or fails. Now it's time to repair this USB port and we need our microscope now. So what we can do now? We can see there is two ripped trays. This one and this one. I think this one is connected to this one. We can easily fix this, but we need to think about this. Clean this with thinner, then tin it with lid. Yes. Okay. So we clean this ripped trace and add some solder in it. Now we're going to solder this thing. Now this is perfectly aligned and solder it to the board. We are going to make it better. We're going to use some soldering paste and give it some heat again. It will make this solder joint much clean and nice. Now I'm going to solder this point to this body for extra strength. And now we need some soldering lotion in this point. I apply some with my precision knife. I think this one is enough and we don't need anything in this point, are we? My soldering bit is not that small, so we can solder it right through this gap. So now our USB port is connected and it works. And now we're going to solder our good atomizer to our good circuit. Atomizer is connected. Now let's check this. Is it work or not? It's not working. Why? Let's disconnect this thing and see what's the problem. Now I'm going to try something else. I will replace this thing with this one. Let's see what happened. After replacing this component, now it is flickering like this. And Let's connect this transducer again and see is it actually work or not. Can you see it? Can you see it? It works. Just when I had completely given up, the last thought crossed my mind. The transistor on the original board, the one that was overheating, I wondered, what if I replace it with the same transistor from the donor board? Without overthinking, I removed the small transistor from the donor board using hot air and soldered it into the original circuit. And then something amazing happened. The humidifier came back to life. The transducer started working perfectly and device performed exactly as it should. In the end, this repair taught me a powerful lesson. Sometimes success comes right after you decide to quit. And today, we didn't just fix a circuit, we successfully brought a humidifier back to life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next repair.